Hey sis, welcome to the channel Adventures with Jay. You made it. We are going to do a bangle set. This is the perfect starter jewelry accessory to make. We got to do baby steps, so we are going to start with a bangle set. So the first thing first, of course, you're going to need is bangles, which will be available on the site as well. We're gonna do a 3-set bangle set. You're gonna need some heavy duty jump rings. Make sure it is heavy duty. I use 6mm or 8mm. You're gonna need charms of your choice. And to me, honestly, that's the hardest part, and I got you covered on that because those are available for wholesale on the site. So make sure you come join our wholesale team, and don't forget to like and subscribe, sis. Please make sure you don't forget, okay? We are going to get started. So it's totally up to you how you would like to do your own process, but I do 3 charms on each bangle. Some people do 1 charm on each bangle, 2 charms on each bangle. It's definitely up to you, sis. It's not really a particular way how you can do it. You can be creative. You can do 1 charm, 3 charms, 4 charms, whatever, how many charms you want to do on 1 bangle. But I preferably do 3 charms on 1 bangle. And I use heavy duty jump rings. I usually don't do split rings. I only use split rings if it is tight. But as you can see, long nose is my favorite pliers to use. So this is a perfect example of what I mean by has tight. You see how tight, like it's really not a lot of room when I put that jump ring on that particular charm. So I'm gonna add a split ring on there so it can, you know, be dangled and not be like super tight, because that give it that extra security to make sure it does not fall off. And then heavy duty jump rings also it look more quality. The other ones are like too thin and flimsy. Heavy duty is a more higher quality, and it makes sure you don't have any troubles with charms and stuff falling off. So also what I do, I just lay different styles out of the color scheme I'm gonna do, and then from there I figure out like what I want to combine, what I want to put with this and stuff like that. Some people like to put their jump rings on first, then put it on their bangle, but I have my own technique. So as you continue to make bangles and continue to make styles, you will figure out your own technique as well, sis. So yeah, so pretty much I just want to add that everything I have listed is available on the site. Everything is available except for the long nose pliers, which I got from my local craft store. You can get them from Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, etc. My heavy duty jump rings, I will say that I got those from Amazon. The craft stores really do not have heavy duty jump rings. They mainly have those flimsy ones, those little thin ones I was talking about. I started off using those, and I learned the hard way that those are not good to use. They do not make sure your customers' charms don't fall off. But them heavy duty ones, they give you more security. So you're gonna go on Amazon for those, and you're gonna get 6mm or 8mm. Sometimes I get the mixed pack as well. But I will say that some Walmart stores have the heavy duty jump rings as well. You just got to try to feel them through the bag and see how the quality feels. Tassels you can find on Amazon as well, or your local craft store. So yeah, I'll be right back. I know you sitting here watching this video like, damn, that's all, like, that's all you need to do to make bangle stacks. Yes, sis, that's all. Like, it's super easy. Like, the shit is easy. At the end of the day, to me, it's all about having quality charms, quality accessories. Once you find quality charms and bangles, it is easy from there in your and also you just need to be creative and have creativity, and you will be very successful at it. Every Friday or Saturday we will meet here on the channel, and we will make a new style each week. So we'll be doing bangles, beauty bracelets. I'll be doing the apple bands. We'll be having a new style that we do each week, and then we'll also be doing like different challenges of like if you can remake the look, etc., etc. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment. But we are done, and that is all to it for the bangle stacks. Thanks for meeting on the channel.